Hi, welcome back to the channel. We have this question on arithmetic progression, and it wants us to find the nth term of this linear sequence. Now, the first term of this sequence is t1 is 5y plus 1. t2, which is the second term, is the same thing as 2y plus 1. And t3, which is the third term, is the same thing as 1 minus y. We know that the Tn of any arithmetic progression is given as a plus n minus 1 into d, where a is the first term and d is the common difference. So to find the nth term of this arithmetic progression, already we have a, which is the first term. This is my a. All we need to find now will be the d. Now to find my d, obviously my d will come from t2 minus t1, or I can also apply my d to come from t3 minus t2. Now applying t2 minus t1, we'll be saying 2y plus 1 minus 5y, put a bracket here, plus 1. So that this expands to 2y plus 1 minus 5y minus 1. Plus 1 minus 1 becomes 0. And 2y minus 5y is minus 3y. Now let's check it out on t3 minus t2. We should get the same thing. So that t3 minus t2 will be the same thing as 1 minus y minus 2y, bracket open here, plus 1. That will be the same thing as 1 minus y minus 2y minus 1. 1 minus 1, that's 0, equals minus 3y. So obviously, my difference in both cases is minus 3y. So I can comfortably substitute minus 3y in place of d. So that my Tn will now come from a is 5y plus 1 plus n minus 1 into minus 3y. That will be the same thing as 5y plus 1 plus 3ny. Now because I have minus here, automatically this becomes minus 3ny. So this is minus 3ny and not plus 3ny. So minus y minus 1, that's plus 3y. So that's my Tn will be the same thing as 5y plus 3y, that's 8y, collecting like terms, and I have minus 3ny minus 3ny, then plus 1. I can leave it this way, then, or I can decide to further expand it. This will be 8 minus 3n into y plus 1. Let me write it clearly. That's the same thing as 8 minus 3n into y plus 1. So this is my Cn. That's the nth term of this arithmetic progression. With this, I hope you understand how I went through about this arithmetic progression. In case you have gray areas, please don't hesitate to contact us in the comment section. Thank you for staying with us and see you in our next class.